Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing 3 Winx Club dolls, Flora, Musa and Stella from the Witty Toys Magical Glamour line. Starting with Flora. It says Winx Club, My Fairy Friend, Magical Glamour, that's little Chatta and Flora. And at the back, that's Flora and Chatta again. These are the fairies you can get. The magic is in you. Here's Chatta and she looks really cute. Honestly, Witty did a good job on Chatta. She's really well made. This is Flora and guys, she's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at the face card. I know most people don't really like the Witty Jack's, face molds, but I like this one. I mean, I do like the old Witty, but these are pretty rare since they are Chinese exclusives. I like the details on her top. She has her polka dots, and that's the skirt. Pretty cute. And of course, Jada again. I think the only things that are missing, unfortunately, are her choker and bracelets, but I will be giving her custom bracelets and a choker. Although she does have box hair, her hair is really soft and I will be giving her a good wash. Here's the before. And this is the after. Now let's unbox Musa. Musa and Toon. Her box is pretty dusty, as you can see. This is Musa's Pixie Toon, and she's absolutely gorgeous. Here's how she looks outside her box. Let's take a moment to appreciate how gorgeous this doll is. Her hair is two-toned and she does have some box hair, but I will be fixing that. Her outfit is really well made, and honestly, I think Musa is the most complete out of all the magical glamour dolls. Since I don't really like the wings, I will be taking them off and displaying the dolls without them. Here's a before, and this is the after. Last but definitely not the least, we have Stella. Stella and Amore. These are all the fairies you can get. And the pixies. Oops! Amore is really cute, and I really like the details on her. Time for some ASMR. Her hair is really soft. And her bangs are just crazy. Nothing a boil wash can fix. She's so cute. Honestly, I think the pixies are really show accurate. Stella has an absolutely gorgeous face. Yeah, they look better without the wings. I'll be keeping them, but I just won't put them on the dolls. There's Winx Club here. She's missing her headband and a couple of other accessories, but I will be making those for her. This is the before. And this is the after. Here's a shot of all three of them. And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading Bloom, Aisha, and Tekna very soon. See you in the next one. Bye.